Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and I'm the Mediocre Modeler. Thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for checking out my videos. If you don't mind, give me a like. How about a subscription? That'd be cool. They're free, like everybody says, free. Today is the first update on my small scale group build, hosted by these two guys. Grumpy Greg over at Grumpy Greg's Models and Toys. If you don't know Greg, he's an awesome guy. Friend of mine. I met him at NNL East, and I'm striking up a friendship, and we're into the same kind of music and same hobby. Hey, we got a lot in common, man. Good guy, good friend. And the other guy is this guy, Dan the Man at 6TEESRULE. Dan is hosting the Psychedelic 60s group build and co-hosting this group build. And Dan's an awesome guy too, and one of the nicest people you want to meet, And I met him and his wife at NNL East, and we hung out almost all weekend. It was awesome. Good friend. I consider him a good friend. So this is the kit I chose. And Lifelike Hobby Kits, Collector Series, 52 Chevy Fas-Back. And it's a nice little kit. I'm having fun with it. And I want to show you the chrome first because Dan the Man did the tutorial on this one. Little video. You got to go back in his archive, but he did an evaluation of his paint, and check this out. Yeah, I ended up buying some myself, and I'm happy with it. This is not a paint, it's an ink, and you gotta let it dry. But yeah, Fusion Firm, I'm psyched. Came out really good. So that's the bumpers. This is the headlight bezels. That came out awesome. And this is the front grille. That's just awesome. And what a great deal. It was, I forget, like $11 for this. And I sprayed like 80 parts at once because I got a bunch of group builds I'm in. So, like, this is the, let me see, what was this? This is the Psychedelic 60s group build. There's the brakes for it. Yeah, pretty awesome. I love this Fusion Firm. Liquid chrome. Let me start off with the chassis. So I sprayed the chassis body color, and that color is Dupla color. It's an automotive paint, and it's a GM color. I forget the name of it, but it's a metallic blue, very nice blue. I picked off the details underneath, and I think it came out pretty good. I used the chrome, what is it? The gallery paint marker for the drive shaft. Came out good. I like the way it came out. I like those pens. Just picked them up and I started using them, and I'm liking them. So the black is the zirconium black gallery paint markers. It's water-based acrylic ink. These are awesome. So yeah, that came out nice. Interior. Well, let me show you the dashboard. That's body color. And then I used the gallery paint marker to do the gauges. came out nice. This is enamel ivory for the interior. I think that looks pretty good. The tires, I sprayed the entire tire with the Duplicolor. Then I went in with a aluminum paint marker and did the hubcap. And then I used a jelly roll white ink for the white walls. Now I got to go back and do the Tamiya rubber black. But I like the way that turned out. The inside of the wheel, I used the paint marker, steel. Yeah, those paint markers are nice. I like them. Glad I picked some up. I know a lot of you guys been doing reviews on them. I finally pulled the trigger. So this is the body. In the first thing I did is when I was cutting this, because this is a 3-piece body, cutting this side off, the plastic is pretty brittle, so I ended up snapping off this little piece right here. And so what I did is I filed it down, made it square as possible. Then I used half-round styrene, and I glued that in here. It's not perfect, but it looks better than it did, for sure. So the body came out real nice. It's only 2 coats, and I did 1 coat of clear, so now I'm going to do bare metal foil. And actually, there was a lot of chrome on this 52 Chevy Fas-Back. And fun little kit, though. And I love the 1/32 scale as well, part of the front end. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So that's all I have for this. And I wanted to do a little shout out for somebody who sent me a package, and I'll show you what they sent me. But this is Gloria from Stout Creations, and I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll pull her shop card down off the wall of inspiration, and I'll show you that when we come back. All right, later. So I want to say about 2 weeks ago, I received a package in the mail, and totally unexpected, from Gloria over at Stout Creations. If you don't know Gloria, she's a really nice person, good builder, and she's getting better at bare metal foiling, and she does the temporary tattoo artwork on the car, and I saw that, and I was really impressed. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's pretty cool. Gloria, you surprised the heck out of me, and I really appreciate what you did. It was awesome. Totally unexpected. You didn't have to do that, and man, you made my day. I really appreciate it. So she knows I like the Patriots, obviously, in my last video, and she knows I like Tom Brady. Well, she sent me this. It's a gold Tom Brady premium vinyl figure by Funko. And that's pretty awesome, I love it. I love it. This is going to make my man cave even cooler. Thank you. She also sent me a bunch of Tom Brady cards. And let me go through these real quick. These are awesome. I used to collect a lot of baseball cards, and I have some football cards, but now I got a bunch of football cards. Thank you, Gloria. That was really cool of you. I appreciate it. I love this community. And I hope to meet you someday, Gloria. Maybe down at, I don't know. There's got to be, maybe when I go down and meet my buddy down in Canton, North Carolina. I want to do some, try to find some garnets and some rubies or some emeralds. They have some of those mines over there. It's pretty neat. So Tom Brady, and here's Julian Edelman, another great Patriot. Gloria, you really shocked me, and I'm happy you did. Thank you so much for being kind and being an awesome part of this community. Me and Lisa love you. Thank you. So the next video is going to be my final reveal on the small scale group build hosted by Grumpy Greg and Dan the Man. Peace out, everybody.